Hi everyone. In this new video I want to show you how to wash in a washing machine. And then first of all, I have to make it very clear to you that I make this video for many who don't know how to wash, since this video be quite a bit for you. Useful, and apart from that it is very easy to use. Without anything more to say, I begin. Next. Well, as you can see, this is my washing machine, and from there what we are going to do is separating our clothes, both light and dark, since we are going to use softeners. Specific. And so, if for some reason you also have detergents of other types of colors as well, once there, what we have to do is just separate our clothes. And then from there, once separated, we already started to take our clothes and put them in our washing machine. Just as you can see. So once there, what we have to do is choose our fabric softener, because in this case, it is for expensive clothes, and there we have our detergent, also expensive clothes. Yes, they are not going to use fabric softener or detergent for dark clothes, since that can change our color and all that. Obviously, here they are. Normally the washing machine has two tanks. One is for detergent and another is for fabric softener. Almost all washing machines have a tank for the detergent, but in some cases they do not have fabric softener. This one does have it, but yours probably won't have it. And there in the cup, the jar, the fabric softener lid, we throw him out. To clothes if they do not have detergent, and if not, then they put it in the tank. Also one thing that I forgot to clarify. Yes, you have bleach, which at the moment is not necessary. Yes, when clothes are treated like this, a little dirty, no need to add bleach. But when it is very dirty, it will be necessary. But you can only use bleach for white clothes. We close our washing machine. We turn it on. Since that is quite easy. Pay close attention, and then from there, we are going to choose our program. In that case, let's choose quickly. And there are other tasks that do not have them. But in case you have them like this, let's choose our level of dirt, so preferably high, since low is not usually do things well in most washing machines, nor the water. We check, like how many clothes there is, and in that case we are going to choose minimum. But if you see that there are a lot of clothes, then yes, you choose medium or high, and you configure the other in your own way, in case you have those types of configurations. And we press the start, pause, or play button. And I forgot, place the hose for the water, and then from there we activate it. And from there onwards, no, we don't have to do anything at all. Nothing by itself, because Laura does it alone. And that was all. I forgot to clarify what. Don't remember that practically they should use specific bleach as well, whether for expensive clothes or as well as for dark clothing that I am going to show you. Like in this case, bleach for dark clothes. And nothing. If this video served you any reason, leave me a like, subscribe, activate the bell on everyone, and